The King, Lebron James, is one of the highest paid athletes in the world. In the last year, he recorded an income of $88.2 million, according to Forbes magazine. And although he already has 2 houses in Los Angeles, US media report that he has made a new purchase in the county. It all started when LeBron saw this mansion while scrolling on Instagram on the profile Mega Mansions. We can say LeBron completely fell in love with the mansion. You must watch until the end to not lose the crazy amenities of this house. And also, leave a like and subscribe to support our channel. The house features approximately 16,000 square feet of living space, with 6 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, foyer with staircase, formal living and dining rooms, gourmet kitchen, family room, office, rec room with wet bar and wine cellar, home theatre, garage and more. Outdoor features include a gated entrance, front entry water feature, terraces, kitchen barbecue and an amazing infinity pool with sunken fire pit. Enter through gates to a hilltop oasis, a world without compromise that awaits you when you cross the floating footbridge into the grand double-story entrance. Vanishing walls of glass disappear to unrivaled panoramic views from DTLA to the Pacific Ocean and then some. A priceless work of art that changes every day. With jaw-dropping amenities from the view-bathed sumptuous master suite to the media room, lounge, wet bar, gym, golf simulator, cigar room, wine cellar and expansive wellness studio, no box was left unchecked for the ultimate entertainer's utopia. The 16,000 square foot structure is T-shaped. It's basically 2 rectangular boxes set at a 90-degree angle from one another. And it's mostly hidden from the street out front behind a security gate, hedges and canary palm trees. A basalt rotunda visually separated the property from the street out front, and exterior and interior walls are clad in Bardiglio marble. A hydro tube, a float tank and a massive bonfire pit are also some of the amenities of this house. The bonfire particularly is quite something. A well-made circular-shaped grey sofa appears to enclose the pit. It can accommodate up to 10 people. The poolside in the client seats can be seen arranged neatly with white round tables also in the vicinity, just in case of a pool party or something related to it. The mansion was designed by respectful artist Paul Kleen. His touch starts shouting straight from the high hedges and the security gates that eventually ushers you into the agonizingly beautiful home. From the inside, the Irish architect must have spent years trying to figure it out. An in-house movie theatre with seating capacity of 100 people, a fully furnished lounge, a wet bar is all included to take care of entertainment needs. Paul Kleen, the man behind LeBron James' new mansion, has an excellent touch for celebrities. He's also the man who designed power couple Jay-Z and Beyoncé's home and that of fashion designer Calvin Klein. With a stylish and contemporary new design, the mansion is fitted with 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Each bedroom has almost similar features to the master bedroom, except where the athlete will sleep is twice as big. The walls are dominantly made from natural exotic woods, and mahogany particularly is vastly used. A minimalist aesthetic is employed around the windows, with clear glass also eating up better parts of the mansion. The living room is stocked with beautiful white leather couches, a huge flat-screen television suspended from the roof, and an ultra-modern stereo system. It is the perfect idea of a luxury living room. The interior decorations are further enhanced by outrageously massive chandeliers dripping from the ceiling, leaving one to wonder whether it is Buckingham Palace or LeBron's home. The layout is perfect. High-end decor ideas and huge expanses of glasses enabling gorgeous lighting to strike the room. The curtains are sumptuous, providing an exclusive view of Los Angeles City with a mere remote command. On the side of the living room, you will spot an imposing fireplace in the small home library. The kitchen area is quite eye-catching as well. Everything is over the top. LeBron James is not strange to acquire costly things. In fact, he is synonymous with spending severely when it comes to buying cars. His stock of cars includes some of the best, with Porsche Turbo, Hummer H2, Dodge Challenger among some of his priced liabilities. He is also notorious for purchasing unfathomably expensive wristwatches. For example, he bought a Rolex that cost him $100,000. Clearly this guy doesn't mind signing the checks to get the deal done. This LA residence is actually his 4th home on record, with a $2.1 million home in Ohio and his $9 million mansion in Miami. What do you think the homeless would say about this? However, James's motto is simply never spend your money before you've earned it. Again, an equipped rooftop deck is part of the $52 million architectural brilliance. Did we mention that there's a billiard room inside the house? Well, there is. However, there is not a basketball court in the home. I wouldn't be surprised to see Lebron actually building one in the house. With the purchase of this house, Lebron will have all the security and luxury that money can buy. Standing by the windows at night and viewing the entire city lighted up. That must be beautiful. What do you think of this mega mansion? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos like this one. If you enjoyed watching this video, you're sure to enjoy this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.